Okay, Klondiker, it's family farm. Let's go there. Ooh. Okay, what's going on here? I'm something of a doctor myself. I can take out your bad tooth in a second. Come on. What tooth did you take out? A healthy one? Excuse me, are you a doctor or a big dental expert? I somehow doubt it. It took me like 2 hours to learn the science of, what's it called? Dentistry. That's it. I'll show you dentistry. I don't need anything. I'm doing it out of the goodness of my heart. I'm happy to help. What the heck is going on here? What the heck is this? Although I think the tooth really did hurt, I feel better. I wonder if this is the relative Edmund wrote about. They look a lot alike. I must find my friend and figure out what's going on here. Me too. Okay, let's see what's in the house. Nothing. Okay, no, nothing. And what do we have to do here? Find Edmund's site at the family farm. Where is it? Okay. Oh, that's where I'm headed. I'll see you in a bit. Okay. We got there. What the heck is this? Your reward. I'll have to find out. So this must be Edmund's house. Oh no, another one. I don't have a bank account tied to the internet yet. Okay, I'm sorry. Did you forget I'm a builder? Did you remember the tree house I made you? How could I forget, Grandpa? I fell on you when half the treehouse collapsed. By the way, you didn't fall far from me. A tree is known by its fruits. Get it? Ha ha. Go get Grandpa a soda while I fix your construction problems. Oh no. Grandpa seems like a know it all. What was it? Take the paint off with gasoline, dry the walls with a gas torch. Sounds good. Oh my goodness. Oh, there goes Edmund's house. Oh, oh, oh no. Edmund, your house went up in flames in a second. I sent you for a coat just in time. I must be some sort of lifeguard too. Oh wow, I'm gonna go help other people. Oh my god, this guy's dangerous. Edmund. Edmund, did you hear that explosion? Are you all right? What happened to the farm? Later, everything later. The neighbors first. We must save them from my grandpa's help. This is hilarious. Thanks, developers. Very funny. Okay, what do we got to do? We got to build building stones and mountain ash logs. Okay, and repair Edmund's house. So, what is this thing? Same with this. Same with this. Okay. So let's look here. What's coming next? Find Hard Rambler at the family farm. Hard Ramble. So that's his name. Okay. So where is he? Ooh, we have gates to open. Ooh, there's three of them, and then we have a bridge to go over. What do I want to do? It doesn't show me where he is. Let's see what happens over here. Okay. Well, the juice freezer is working again, just like you asked. Oh no. What? I asked you to fix the juice, sir? Why would I want to freeze juice? How should I know? You sure are strange. You could do what you want with it then. I don't, and don't thank me. I'm just a humble mechanic who likes to help people. Oh no. Okay, what's going on? Excuse me, have you seen an old man who looks like Edmund? I've seen him. He made my juicer freeze me a juice freezer out of a juicer half an hour ago. Naturally, I was upset at first and chased after him, and then I slipped on the grapes. That's when it hit me. I can crush grapes with my feet, but I can't make ice myself. True, the freezer is small and I have too many grapes. Do you need some by any chance? Well, I'll take some. Edwin makes great grape soda, by the way. Okay. So what's over here? We can open it. Let's do it. What's over here? Nothing. And this one? Open? Uh-oh. Some pumpkins, huh? What do you think? Huge, thick? Have you ever seen anything like that? But how? There was a bunch of weeds growing here. It's just that I'm kind of a crop breeder too. Anyway, don't thank me. Farewell. What's going on? Good afternoon. You look like you've seen Mr. Hardramble. What did he do? I stepped out to get my tools. While I was away, these pumpkins grew here. Huge, you see. Well, yeah. What's wrong with them? Did you ask to grow something else? Grow? I'm building a house here. He said he'd help me prepare the land. Did he mishear? You're very lucky, Mr. Hardramble misunderstood you. He's a poor excuse for a builder. Look, I'm confused. Maybe you need some pumpkins. Can you help me clear them? Sure, Edmund makes great energy drinks out of them. Don't worry, we'll take them all. Okay, so we have one last gate. Let's open it up. Uh-oh, what's Mrs. Baker? Good afternoon. I see you're making cakes, and I'm a pastry artist too, in a way. I'm so lucky to have met you. I'm on a deadline. I can't make the cream in time. Good thing I'm an award-winning pastry artist, and I know the recipe for a special cream. Oh, no. It's madness. You combine cola and candy. What did you get an award for? Eating cakes. What? What does this have to do with baking? You're ridiculous. Aren't cakes related to pastry making? I see why you don't have time for anything. Ah, I'll go because you're acting strange. Oh my goodness gracious. Miss Baker, what happened? Why is everything covered in cream? It's a disaster. The order has been destroyed. Please help me rebake the cakes. Wow. Ooh, what happened here? Did I touch something? Okay, I don't know. So we have cakes to make. Oh, stop. Oh, we took a pumpkin away. Sorry. So that was one. I'm sure we have a lot more now. Let's go here. We got to help her. We got to do the pumpkins. We got one of them. The grapes. And, okay. So now I got a lot of work to do. Oh, that's a spinner. Okay. Thank you. I think I opened everything up. And where will I start? Why not the first one? The baker. Okay. So we have to find these strawberries here. All right. Let me start clearing out things and finding what's going on here, and I'll be back. Okay, Klondikers, welcome back. I cleaned up and opened everything up, so now we can do the chores. I think I got everything uncovered. Okay. First, we have Mrs. Baker over here. Okay, we have to give her the signature cake. And let's see. We got to collect the ripened wheat. We have to have fresh cream and strawberries. Okay. So let's get to the strawberries first. I only think there's 5 of them. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and over here's number 5. And I think that's it. The only place there could be is right in here. I don't see it any other place. No, it's not there either. Okay, so let's get started. We'll come over here. We'll grab this one way in the back by the cow in this area. Okay. There we go. So here's number 2. Awesome. All right. Back here's number 3. Great. Here's number 4, right over here by Mrs. Baker. Oh, sorry. Number 4. And this one here is number 5, way over here by the soda machine. Awesome. Okay, let's see if we have everything we need for that. We have 75. Okay, we have to feed the cows 10 grass each. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. There's five cows. Okay, that's it. So I guess we'll start over here by the soda machine and feed this guy. It's going to cost energy. No worries. Thank you. Here's number 2. Here's number 3. Okay. Back here's number 4. Awesome. And this one here is number 5. Okay. Now I'm going to load up on energy. I'll tell you why. Because I took 2 of these out already. And they're loaded with energy. I'll show you. Okay. That's nice. Thanks, developers. It's a big help. Fantastic. Look at that. 252. Okay, let's see. Oh, 30, so 82. Let's go. 77. Oh, I got to take this off, and we're going to reduce this. By 77. Got it? And we have 175 left. So I want to take another one of them out, but I have 5. Let's see. This will take a 2. And is there another one? Yep. So now I can get them. Okay, so which one do I want to take out? I guess I'll take out this one here. Hey, that was nice. Now we can take the other one out with the 93 later on. That's nice. Okay, so now we have the wheat, we have the cream, we have the strawberries. Create. Mrs. Baker, this is for you. The disaster's over. Okay, times 5. All right. Awesome. What's up, Mrs. Baker? Oh, thank you for your help. I've mentally said goodbye to my business. Oh, you're welcome, Mrs. Baker. By the way, Edmund asked me to apologize for his grandpa. Oh, well, never mind now. Tell Edmund it's all right. And give him this yeast as well. He needs it for some kind of energy drink. And take the candy back, please. I can't even look at it. Okay. This is a candy. No, these are sodas. Oh, thank you for the yeast. I've just come up with a new recipe for an energy drink. Mrs. Baker also asked me to give you the candy your grandpa left. How fortunate. I've got a couple of Coke cans left. Why don't we put some candy in it? It'll blow up, Edmund. That's what I'm counting on. Drop it and step away. Cool. Okay, we got that done. Oh, what is this stuff? Let's. Ah. So each one of these are 75 energies. Wow, that's nice. There's 6 of them. Whoa, cool. All right. So now we have the pumpkin patch to do next, I think. Let's see. We have this one. This one. There's the pumpkin patch. Okay. That's the grapes. The pumpkin patch. Well, we already collected 1 pumpkin here. You saw me do that. So now we have to collect the other ones. There's 210 altogether. All right. So let me go over these. I'll be right back. Okay. I went off camera to count and make sure I could find them all. I found 14. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So I guess we'll start here and we'll start collecting these. They're 15 each, so I'm going to need some energy. There's 1. Okay. There's 2. And actually, there's 15 because I took one before. Here's 3. Here's 4. Okay. I guess we'll go down here. Here's 5. Here's 6. 7. Oops, sorry. I ran out of energy. Here's 7. 8. 9. 10. Oh, I did it again. 10. Okay. 11. 12. 13. Awesome. 14. Okay. Oh, thank you. All right, that's over. Okay. Now, I seen these things here. I'm not sure. So what do we do next here? I think that's it. We have the grapes and that. Whoa. Okay, there's other things here. There's a pumpkin over here. It's a champion pumpkin special gift. I'll leave it for now. These here, there are a few around. 1, 2, 3. Here's 4, 5, 6, 7, and I think that is it. So there's 7 of them. And I don't know what they are yet. So let's find out. We'll come to the first one, which is over here. Let's click on it. The maximum number of mountain pumpkins in the land is 14. New pumpkins will appear in 27 seconds. Ah, so these are where the pumpkins were, and they'll grow out of this. So I guess we're collecting pumpkins. Okay. So let's do the grapes. Whoa. I'm a little confused about what's going on, but we'll figure it out. It ain't no big deal. Also, there's this here. It's an autumn tree special gift right here. And that, I think, was it that I saw in here while cleaning up, besides these here. And that one over here, when I clicked something accidentally and said, what was that? That was one of them. There's 21 altogether. There's still 20 out there. Okay. So we're over here to the grape land. So let me count everything up and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I think there's 10 of them, if I'm not mistaken. All right. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So let's get these. 15 each again. There's 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and there's 10. Okay. Oh, what's going on? Grandpa, we've been looking all over for you. Edmund, your neighbors have so many problems. You have no idea. Edmund, I can't find your grandfather. You're already here. Wonderful. Good afternoon. I'll be sure to help you after a little break. No, that's not why we're looking for you. We don't need... Edmund, where can I make glasses? I need a gas torch and... Let me do it. I'm a big fan of helping people out too, you know. So you're a man of many talents too, huh? All right, you do it. I'm afraid I can't see everyone who needs my help because of my bad eyesight. Oh, it may be for the best. Oh, thank you. Oh, he's kind of cute. What is making glasses? Okay, got to go get that. Made a note of it. Oh, someone asked me, how do you make notes? All you got to do is just click on this. It'll automatically make it for you. and then it's over here. And I keep other things that are important in here that I need. Well, this one here I don't need no more. Okay. And that used to be the sleds until someone wisened me up to use this instead. This was the best choice that I made, and then thanks for one of my subscribers for letting me know. Okay. So I'm going to get wire and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back to make Edmund's grandpa some glasses. There we go. And what is this? Looks like some kind of stand. Thank you. Oh, I got some energy here. Let's see. That's pretty good. Thank you. You're welcome. I can see everything so well. Oh, Edmund still has so much to redo. That coat's all crooked. Why didn't I notice that? It needs fixing. I'm something of a builder myself, if you don't know. Anyway, goodbye. So long. Oh no. Oh, it's been a long day, hasn't it? Where's Grandpa? I think he went to get some tools. What? Oh, I'm going then. I'm running. Thanks again. At least Edmund doesn't have an address now. Grandpa says, Grandpa, stay away from the dovecot. Grandpa! Sorry, developers, not all us old folks are like that. At least I hope not. Okay, so we have that done. Whoa, we got this done. So I went in here, and these are trees. What's going on now? What's my next thing? Okay, let's see. I get stones and mountain ash logs. Ah, okay. This is for Edmund's place. Let's see, what does this say? What does this say? No, okay, no problem. Wow. So, let me look at this, see what I have here. I got it all uncovered, so it should be easy. Give me a minute, and we'll do it. Okay, welcome back, Klondikers. Sorry about that. So there's 10 mountain ash trees. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Excuse me, there's 12 of them. And then there's 8 stone. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. So we're going to start with the 12 mountain ash, 35 each. Oh, what do I want to use? I don't want to run out of my apples, so I'll use some of these, I guess. And I noticed I have 100 there. He's history. It's a big one. Okay. Oops. There we go. So, here's 1. They're not all. The smaller ones are 20. The bigger ones are 35. There's 2. 3. 4. There's 5. 6. Excellent. Okay. So I guess we'll come up here and we'll start over here. There's 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. Okay, here's 12. Awesome. So we got them 12. And then we have the stones to do, the 8. But there's also Guardian of the Rock special gift. And over here is the Warden's Wagon special gift. Okay. So we'll just go over this again. Well, I'll just collect them. Here's 3 here. So we'll grab them 3. Need energy first. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Only 3 more. Back here is 6. 7. And over here is number 8 by the wagon. Awesome. All right. So now we can start building the Hedman stuff back. How do we break it to Grandpa? You got to not fix things. Awesome. Well, let's see what it does. Oh, how nice. It makes energy. Ah. Wow. This is cool. I'm saving them. Okay. Ice cream. So I have to figure out what I want to make. 20, 30. Okay. Don't know yet, but I'll figure it out what I want to make. So what is this? Oh, we got to repair it. Let's do that. Nice. For the pigeons. And what is that? It's a spinner. Okay. And then we have this one. Ooh, we're missing a stone. Oh, here it is. I'm sorry. That's number 9 there, or else I counted wrong. Okay. Well, we picked it up, though. It's right in this corner. All right. Oh, let's collect them first. Great. And we can repair this. Repair it. Oh, sorry. And we have a reward. Okay, awesome. And what does this do? This makes energy as well. Ah, this is what I want to make. Okay, and I need grapes to do that. And it takes 5 hours. So do these grapes grow back? Yes, they do. So they come with these 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we have all them to do. And what is this? That's a spinner, the grape press. Oh, that's the fridge. Win great prizes. Okay. So we have a couple spinners. There's one there. There's one over here. And is there another one? No. Mrs. Baker's all gone. I think that's it. All right. So I think we have everything done. I'm not using these yet, but I think that's really cool. Okay, and the refrigerator is a spinner as well. That's what I was looking for. Okay. So I'll put this out right away for you guys. We're at 48%, almost 50%. And then we'll clean this up and we'll find all of these here. 21 of them. And I said one I took. And if I'm not mistaken, that was over in here somewhere when I was moving. I got to watch that. When you move around, you can pick things up like these. All right. So this here is Autumn Sweet Special Gifts. And I've noticed in here, we have some pumpkins. We have pigeon eggs, 2 of them. Don't know yet, but I'll figure it out here. And I think I would. Oh, we have these experimental candies. That's for the dynamite. The yeast is right here. Grapes. Okay, we're in good shape. Okay, all that's left to do is clean it up. And like I said, I'll release this. And when I get it all cleaned up, I'll see you in that video. Thanks, everybody.